car rental companies like Avis Budget Group were all like, as travel disruptions linked to U.S. government issues caused delays at airport security, prompting travelers to seek alternatives to flying, sending demand for road travel sky high. However, this trend may be temporary. If airport operations normalize, demand could revert. For a more lasting market shift, we have to look at RCAT, which formed a partnership through its Blue Ops division and Hattie to expand production of unmanned surface vessels. By integrating AI robotic 3D printing and a distributed microfactory model, the collaboration aims to double manufacturing capacity and significantly speed up design and production cycles. This reflects a broader shift toward flexible, scalable, and decentralized manufacturing, especially important for defense applications where rapid deployment is critical. As seen with the risks to manned vessels in the Persian Gulf and Red Sea, uncrewed craft definitely have a future path charted. This also extends to lesser-known companies like Ocean Power Technologies, which is gaining traction as it secures a firm foundation of contracts for its autonomous offerings, which are differentiated in that they are persistent and long-lasting infrastructure for monitoring, as well as attractive options for dangerous duties like sea mine clearing. In the more familiar airspace of flying drones, these concepts of scalability and affordability are nothing new to birds like EagleNXT, which secured an order for 15 EB Vision drones from a U.S. Army unit in Europe. These drones are designed for intelligence and surveillance, offering features like real-time video, long-range capability, and secure operation in challenging environments. As for bigger birds trying to fly, Vertical Aerospace successfully completed a piloted thrust-borne transition. This means its aircraft can take off vertically like a helicopter and transition smoothly into winged flight, a defining capability for the emergence of EVTL, electric vertical takeoff and landing technology. Achieved under regulatory oversight, this breakthrough brings the company closer to certification and commercial deployment, supported by a new financing package of up to $850 million.